This free AI tool just changed video creation forever. Watch how I use Google Flow to generate hyper-realistic movie scenes and amazing pizza-style cartoon videos in just minutes. But before that, let's watch the videos.
Move up, cover the left flank. Copy that, moving now.
I'm faster than you. Wait for me. Come on, puppy, catch us.
How do they do that? The first thing to do is to go to Google Flow AI. Okay, you can see it here, lab.google. This is Flow, Google Labs. Okay, it brings us to this interface and we click on Create with Flow. Yes, it brings out this. It's a new project. We are about to create new project. You can see, you click on New Project. Then it takes you to the next interface. Okay, let us check the credit we have. Let's look at the right hand side here. You can see 150 AI credits. Credit refresh daily. It tells you it is free. It is free. You can refresh your credit on a daily basis. On a daily basis, you have 150 AI credits. So what do we want to do? You check the right hand side here. You click on this. You choose either image or you want to create a video. I want to create a video, and I'm using 16:9 aspect ratio. I want to know how clear it is. Generating will use 20 credit if you are using this resolution times 2. If you are using times 2, okay, you are using 40 credits. So I'll be using this. Let me use this, and it shows I'll be taking out 40 credit from the 150 credit, and you can choose your options. You have VEO 3.1. You can see you have an opportunity to use VEO 3.1. You also have an opportunity to use VEO 3.1 Lite. If you are using VEO 3.1 Lite, you see it's 20 credits. You can decide to use VEO 3.1 fast. You can use VEO 3.1 quality, 200 credit. If you are choosing fast, you have 40 credit. You can see now. So let us use our VEO 3.1 fast. Okay, let us do that for now. Let's click on. I have a prompt already for the video and paste it here. Okay, it's a cinematic wall scene. So the next thing is to submit and see what it gives to us. Yes, you can see it now. You can see this, and I have this to video because I choose times 2. If I choose times 3, it'll be creating 3 different videos, but it create 2 different videos. Let's see what we have here. Okay, this is it. I'll be downloading.
Move up, cover the left flank. Copy that, moving now.
Okay, I'll be downloading this. Okay, thank you. That is it. So the next one is I'll be creating the 3D pizza cartoon video. So I'll be pasting it. Let's see how clear it is. You can see now. Okay, then I'll go to the click on it and check the options. 16:9, and do I want to create 3 different cartoons or no, or I want to create one, or let me create like 2 different. Let me create one, and the next thing I do is to click on submit. Let's see what it gives to us. You can see that because I choose one and it's only generating one video. You have several options here. You can see several options are still using VEO 3.1. So that is it. You have several options here. Wow, I think we have it now. Let me try and let's open it. Let's see what we have here.
I'm faster than you.
That is it. That's just it. Let's see what we have here.
Wait for me. Come on, puppy, catch us. I'm faster than you.
That is it. 8 seconds for each video. Just 8 seconds. You come to here and download and choose original size 720. If you want 1080 pixel, you have to upgrade. So we click on this to download the video. Okay, the video is downloaded. So this is the power of Google Flow. You have several options and it is free. On a daily basis, you have 150 credits. Thank you very much. I want you to subscribe to my channel.